The patient is prescribed 220 milligrams of Pethidine. The stock dose is 50 milligrams per 3 milliliter ampule. What volume will you require? Well, the volume formula. Well, before we do any formulas, look, we'll check our units. We have milligrams here and milligrams here. So our unit check is good. We don't have to convert. Unit check is good. Right, so the formula is the volume equals the amount prescribed. You should write this down every time you do a question, and it really gets embedded in your head then. Amount prescribed multiplied by the unit volume. You can pause here now this video if you like, and I suggest you would pause it and see if you can complete it and get it right, and then you can play it on. So the volume then is the amount prescribed times the unit volume over the amount per unit volume. So where are these figures? Well, the amount prescribed, there it is there. That's the amount prescribed. That's the prescribed amount there, 220 milligrams. The unit volume is 3 mils. That's our unit volume there. And 50 milligrams is the amount per unit volume. That's the amount in each unit. 50 milligrams in each ampule. So filling up our formula, V for volume equals the amount prescribed, 220, multiplied by the unit volume is 3, all over the amount per unit volume, and that's 50. Is that right? Double check. Amount prescribed 220, unit volume 3, amount per unit volume 50. Happy enough with that. 3 times 220. Well, you can go and do a bit of rough work on that if you like. 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6. So we end up with 660 over 50. And now we've both these end in 0, so they're both divisible by 10 by just knocking off a 0. So now we have 66 over 5. And now we should be confident enough to divide 5 into 66. I mean, we had on a decimal point and a couple of zeros in case things don't work out evenly. 5 into 6 goes once and 1 over. 5 into 16 goes 3 times, and because 3 5s is 15, so we have 1 remainder that goes up here. The decimal point comes down now. 5 into 10 goes twice with no remainder. So we're done. So the answer we've got here, the answer is 13.2 milliliters. Does it make sense? Right? Well, say if we had 10 milliliters, well, with 3 milliliters, you know, if you had 4 ampules, you'd have 12 milliliters, and 4 50s would be 200. So roughly speaking, this does make sense. 3.2 mils.